Well, hello, Luke here, back with another gift from my beautiful girlfriend Olivia, who doesn't want to be in this video. We're gonna do a little unboxing of this massive package that she got me for my birthday. I know it's a little late, you're gonna be like, Luke, your birthday was so long ago, why are you still celebrating? Because I like my birthday, okay. Just kidding. This package came in a little late, but no worries. We're gonna open it up here. Whatever could it be? I'll let you guess right now while I open it. Alright, guessing? You better be writing a comment and guessing. Okay, that's probably enough time to type. Did you get it? Did you press enter? Did you leave the comment? Alright, perfect. Now, here's the reveal. I don't know what it is, and neither does she, because they didn't let her pick a color. And I told her like a brand that I kinda liked and a shape that I liked, so let's see how she did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Orange. Yo, that is awesome. Wow. Check that out. It's a brand new welcome board. I love it.
And green.
Yeah, green on the front, orange on the back, and it's got the the barbed wire that changed, like nice foily silver. That's freaking awesome. Thank you, babe. I love it. You did good. You picked a great board. The shape is really cool. Reminds me of like a quasi deck. It's your favorite green? Perfect. I think we're gonna. What's in here? Oh! There's more in here. Whoa! They sent a shirt. This guy is. Oh snap! Holy crap! That is sick! Yo, I love this! Thank you! I'm totally wearing that tomorrow. That's badass. Oh my god, you know French? Qui nos apprenons villains. Is that French or is that not French? It looks French. Can you read that?
I don't think that's French.
Shit, well, it looked like French. That's awesome. Got a little thing of grip here. And then we got No. We're gonna make a cool design in the grip so we could keep the pretty green color. Remember that? So gripping this board is gonna be sick. So I want to do a cool little design. But yeah, that was the unboxing of this welcome deck. I'm pretty sure it's like an 838. I don't know the exact shape, like what it's called, but maybe I'll put it right here. Put it right there. I highly recommend welcome boards. They're really amazing. I love skating them. And yeah, thank you Olivia for the gift. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.